Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'd like to show you how to make some roasted red potatoes with sauteed onions. For your Thanksgiving meal, you gotta have those potatoes. Okay, and don't worry, I didn't forget the mashed potatoes. Okay, so let's do this, and please, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. I'm waiting on you. And check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. And thumbs up, and share all the Thanksgiving series with your family and friends, because this is how we're sharing Thanksgiving this year. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay. So I already cut up the red potatoes, and I took some of the skin off so that you could see the roasted color here and there. Okay? Okay. And I used about 5 medium potatoes. And this is what we yield. Alright. So now let's add our seasoning. No, I don't want that. I want some Lowry seasoning salt I put on it. And I'm going to go with some Sassoon everything. Black pepper. Let's put some cilantro on it for some green color, or parsley if you don't have cilantro. Okay, and the magic is the garlic paste. Garlic paste. That's a half of a tablespoon. And another half is one whole heaping tablespoon of garlic paste. Now you want to put olive oil all over the potatoes. This is the secret, the olive oil. Alright, now you want to rub all of that in. And I think I want to add to it some tomatoes when it gets 3/4 the way done. So we'll change it to roasted red garlic potatoes, tomatoes, and sauteed onions. Okay, that's what we're looking like. Here's my pan. I already oiled the bottom of the pan with olive oil. So let's put the potatoes in. And you see all this goodness down in the bottom of the bowl? We want that in. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, now we want to cover the potatoes. Actually, I want a drop of water, a drop. Okay, so you can see my drop of water down here, right? That's probably maybe 5 tablespoons full. I just want to put a little on the bottom to produce steam. Okay. Now we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. We're going to bake this in the oven on 400 degrees. Okay? Alright, and I'll be right back with you to cut up the tomatoes and the onions, and we'll proceed. Thank you. Okay, so I have 3 tomatoes. I already cut the top off, okay? So we're going to cut it into large chunks. So I cut it in half once. Okay. Cut it in half again. And one more time. So that each half I get 4 pieces. Okay? Each half 4 pieces. Cut it in half once. Cut the half in half. And one more time. Okay. Alright, now let's cut. So let me show you the tomatoes. So we're going to put olive oil on the tomatoes and some salt and pepper and add that to the potatoes before the potatoes get, when they get around 3/4 the way done. Okay? Okay. So here's our onion. We're going to saute the onion. So I'm just going to cut the ends off. Take the outer layer off. Okay, now I'm just going to cut the onion in half. And we want to also have the same kind of shape as the tomatoes and the potatoes. So let's cut 1 strip of the first half, 2 strips. 1, 2. Okay? And then cut block cubes. Okay, and you know what? I'm not going to saute them. I was going to do that separately. I don't want to, if I saute them, then the shape may separate because of the oil. So I want to just put them right in the pan with the potatoes. How about that? You don't mind if I change my mind, do you? It's healthier. Okay. Let me get the pan of potatoes out. Okay, I have the pan of potatoes out. I'm going to add the onions right to it. Now I'm going to take this aluminum foil off halfway through so that it can get the brown color. And I'm going to add some paprika on the potatoes and the onions to help with the color. Okay, I'm going to cover that back up. And we're going to put it back in the oven, okay? My guess is it's going to be in there for about 40 minutes total. But I'll check it in 25 minutes. Okay, great. Okay, so potatoes and onions have been cooking for about 25 minutes, 20 minutes to 25 minutes. The potatoes is still hard, okay? So now I want to add the tomatoes. I want to put a little salt on there. Okay. And let me give that a little stir. Okay, now I'm going to put it in without the aluminum foil. No more aluminum foil, so that they can cook and brown up. Okay, so we're going to give that another 20 minutes. Thank you. And I'll be right back to give you the word of the day, okay? The word of the day. The word of the day is thankful. Thankful. Let's be thankful for in and everything that you have. So maybe you have a raggedy car. Be thankful for that car. It is getting you from A to Z. Maybe you don't realize it, but you need to be thankful for a reasonable portion of good health and strength. Be thankful. It could be worse. It could be better. Be thankful. Be thankful for those around you, those loved ones God blessed you with. It could be worse. It could be better. Maybe they could treat you better, and maybe they're treating you as best they know how. Be thankful. Be thankful for the many things, okay? Especially be thankful for yourself, because after all, you still love you, and that's enough to be thankful for. That's the word of the day. Thank you. Okay guys, our roasted red potatoes, tomatoes, and onions are out, and now we're just gonna give it a little sprinkle with some, let me show you, some butter. Okay, so I melted a half a stick of butter. I'm just going to glaze over the top of it and give it some flavor and some shine so it looks nice and edible. How about that? You know that butter and potatoes? Good. Okay, guys, look at that. Okay. All right, so let me plate me some and taste it for you. 1 second. Okay, guys, let's taste. So the first thing you feel is the burst of tomatoes that go through your mouth when you bite down. And then you taste the sweetness of the cooked onions and the delightfulness, of course, of the white potato. It all works. And the potato is firm. It is not soft, so that's great. It's done but firm. I like it. I like the taste. I like the fall colors. I like everything about it. I think this would be a nice presentation on your Thanksgiving table. Okay? Alright, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye. Share the videos. That's what we're doing this Thanksgiving. Thanks. Bye.